Hello there, a new day, a new fixing, hopefully. Well, and this is a professional nail grinder. And we have to fix it. Okay, first, I just plugged this in, on, off. Yeah, we got power. Oh, it's working. These motors have a carbon brush having the electricity transmitted to the rotor. So far I can see I don't feel like a brush problem here. I believe it's more like a potentiometer there. So what we are dealing here? I have from 0 to 32 volts. Oh my, that's a lot of voltage. Let me have a resistor, 18 ohms resistor, which I will use to fake load. Okay, so we got these pins here and here. I believe it's 5 with 3. Okay, the power supply feels already the strain of the load, and we'll go to volts. Oh yeah, look there, it's a very clear potentiometer problem. Look at, so it's starting 3.5 and then it's jumping to 31, just like that. Yeah, so it's looking like I have to open it up anyway. Okay, wow. You know, people, this is a very classic power supply. We have a transformer, a big guy here, a linear power supply. And we have a LM317. Let me take out the potentiometer and let's see what value do we got there. And we have a 10 kilo ohms potentiometer. Let's measure this guy. Do you remember the gap from the beginning? And look there. We should have 0. Then it's jumping to infinite. And then, shall we try to clean it first? Let's open it up and see. Maybe we can fix it by cleaning. I have doubts, but let's try anyway. You see, we have this metal ears. There we go. Well, I'm afraid I can't do anything about. I can see the mess here already. The point is that I don't have a 10 kilo ohms potentiometer. Let me see. I think I can use a 20. And what about this one? Okay, this is like 500 or something. Okay, too big. What about this? 20 kilo ohms, which, by the way, it's working great. Yeah, we can give a try. Well, you know something, I can have this in parallel, and it's even better, because then we have a double potentiometer. Okay, let's do that. And I have a 10 kilo ohms, because then we have two 20 kilo ohms potentiometers in parallel working together. If one is failing, the other one is taking the job. No flux. Okay, we can give a try. So this guy is out of the picture. This one goes right here. Power on. Grinder on. Oh no, not this one. We should have power. Perfect. That's it. Job done. All I have to do now is to put it back on the case here. Yeah, right. I like this before. I don't like this. Okay, I'm not this. This is acrylic from the leg they are using, and it's very electrostatic and sticking to plastic. No, it's like, it's almost. Okay. Let's try again. Now, okay, that's the bad one, and this is the good one. Okay, so you see we have even zero rotation at zero, and now slowly starts up. Beautiful. Okay, but we have another job to do here, and this one it's looking like this one it's kind of blocked. First of all, let me check with the multimeter, see how many ohms do we got there. This pin and the other one, 3 and 5, I think. See, it's shorted. It's shorted. So what can we do about? I recall here are some, yeah, that's the carbons here, but I need to take out these guys. Well, it doesn't look bad, not at all. Okay, I believe here we have some other problem. This is a mechanical. Can we take this out? Yes, we can. And we have some bearings. Yeah, but I believe they are thicker than these guys. So I'll use this back in place. Okay. And the other one. But you know something? Let me check the cable. Something wrong with that cable, but I believe it's not, because I could feel a little bit of moving. No, the cable is fine. I could feel a kind of itching from the motor. So this is the working position. Let's try again. Nothing. I can feel this guy struggling to move. But no. Okay, let me try something else. Let me have this in place and try to move or to rotate. Oh, we got rotation. Yeah. It's working. This one it's working, but this one is not working anymore. This is funny. Of course it's not working, because without a piece in there, it's simply not starting. And that's it. Mystery solved. Can we fake a piece? Let's see. No, it's not moving. Perfect. Job done. So these guys are like new potentiometer here, evidently, and this machine can work for another months, years, who knows. Thank you for now. I hope it was interesting. You know, it's so funny because we can use one of these like a power supply from 0 to 32 volts. That should be interesting, isn't that? Okay, see you soon in some other projects, and of course, don't forget, like, subscribe, and have fun. Bye bye.